Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover position of an adjective. There is a separate playlist of adjectives in English language on my channel and the link of the same will be available in the description box below. Now without any further ado or delay, let's get started. Position of an adjective. What do we mean when we refer to position of any adjective, right? The purpose of learning the position or positioning an adjective is basically locating it. Okay, so in a given sentence, what is a location where an adjective is located is all about its position, right? So position of an adjective deals with the placement or the location of that particular adjective in any given sentence whatsoever. So according to the position of an adjective, we have two types, right? The first one is attributive position and the second one is predicative position, and we'll discuss both of them in detail one by one. Attributive position. Attributive position. Let us have a look at this sentence. An honest man is respected everywhere. An honest man is respected everywhere. So in this sentence, the adjective honest is placed before the noun, right? And the noun is a person, that's a man. So it is used as an epithet or an attribute, right? So therefore it is said to be used attributively, right? So an adjective that is placed just before the noun is known as an attributive adjective. So its location is that it's placed just before the noun. Okay, an adjective that is placed before the noun is of what position? Is of attributive position in a sentence. The second type of a position of an adjective is predicative position. Have a look at this example here. This shopkeeper is honest. This shopkeeper is honest. So in this sentence, the adjective honest is placed after the verb is and therefore is forming as a part of a predicate of the given sentence, right? So therefore a predicative position of an adjective is a position in which the adjective is placed after the verb is and forms the predicate of that given sentence is known as a predicative position of adjective, right? So a predicative position of an adjective deals with the position which is after the verb is and therefore forms as the predicate of the given sentence structure. So yes guys, this section brings an end to today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. Until we meet next time in the next video, keep learning and keep growing. And all the important playlists will be linked down in the description box. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.